Number 4. Is it necessary to verbalize the intention for itikaf? I have already mentioned that verbalizing the intention is never required. Intention is simply the determination of the heart. Whether it is for prayer or itikaf, there is no such requirement in Islam to say it out loud. A person is only taught to verbalize the intention when they struggle to understand how an intention is formed in the heart. For example, they are made to repeat, "These are 4 rak'ahs. I am following the imam. I am present in the mosque. This is fard, sunnah, or wajib." This method is mainly used for teaching children, and they memorize these phrases from childhood. Even today, many people follow this tradition, thinking that if someone does not verbalize their intention, their prayer is invalid. However, in reality, intention is formed in the heart. When we leave home with the intention to pray, our intention is already made. Islam even provides flexibility to the extent that if a person leaves home intending to pray Dhuhr, but mistakenly says Asr upon entering the mosque, their prayer is still valid because intention is based on the heart's resolve. Therefore, for itikaf, verbalizing the intention is not necessary.